Welcome to GlamAR. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the AI Facial Skin Analysis app. To start creating a skin analysis app, go to the Pixel Bin console and select GlamAR from the left sidebar. Following that, click on AI Facial Skin Analysis to explore the Skin Analysis app configuration. To create a new app, click Create App button in the top right. This opens the configuration page where you define how your skin analysis app behaves and stores data. Following that, enter your desired app name in the app name text input field. Here, in Data Storage section, define how long user data, such as scan images and reports, should be retained. Next up, select from either None, 1 year, or 3 year for data storage duration. Whitelist the domains where your GlamAR SDK can be embedded. This feature prevents unauthorized use of your SDK on unverified websites. For more than one site, separate them by comma. Next, click the SDK version drop-down to view and select available SDK version. It is recommended that use the latest version, for example 2.0.0 for optimal performance. Now click the Update Version button once selecting the SDK version. From here, choose the AI algorithm version for your skin analysis app. This ensures your app uses GlamAR's most accurate and up-to-date detection models. After that, select your preferred language from the Language Support drop-down menu. And finally, review the watermark section to configure watermark settings for your application. It decides whether to display or hide the GlamAR watermark. Once you are done adding the app details, click the Next button to proceed to the Face Scan Instruction step. The Face Scan Instructions section helps you configure the guidance, visuals, and on-screen text that prepare users for their scan. A clear and friendly onboarding experience ensures accurate results in your AI analysis. Here, you can upload a custom banner image that appears at the top of the instruction screen. It can feature your brand, app name, or welcoming graphic. The Content section defines the instructional text displayed to users before they begin the facial scan. This ensures that users understand how to position themselves and prepare for accurate skin analysis results. The Customize Loader screen allows you to keep users engaged while the AI generates the skin analysis report. You can personalize this screen with quick tips or skincare facts that appear during the loading process. Once you complete adding the face scan instructions, click Next to proceed to the App Appearance configuration step. The App Appearance section controls the visual styling and user interface of your skin analysis app. These settings allow you to align the look and feel of the app with your brand guidelines or preferred design theme. Here, you can select the font that suits your branding. In the Select Theme section, you can customize the app's color scheme to control the overall visual aesthetic. Following that, select the Custom Theme option to create a personalized app appearance configuration. Click the primary color field to customize the main app color selection. This is a dominant color used for highlights, buttons, and interactive elements. After that, adjust the color picker to select your desired primary color for the app theme. From here, click the Icon Color selector to customize the accent color for your app theme. It defines the color of UI icons for better visibility and design harmony. Following this, click the Selection Color field to customize the highlight color. It controls the color of selected elements such as active buttons or toggles. Here you can also choose to change the color scheme, like white or dark. Once you have customized the app appearance, click the Next button to proceed to the Report Setup configuration step. Report setup determines how GlamAR generates, displays, and enhances user skin analysis reports. It combines the configuration options of the Report Setup and Smart AI Features tabs, allowing you to fully customize the analytical insights and user-facing outputs your SDK delivers. The Overview Metrics section defines the key elements that appear at the top of the user's skin analysis report, setting the context for the AI results. Here you can upload your brand or clinic logo to personalize the skin report. Add a title and subtitle for the overview. Choose how the user's image appears, and select which key metrics such as skin age, skin tone, or skin type are shown. The Overview Metrics section defines the key elements that appear at the top of the user's skin analysis report, setting the context for the AI results. Here you can upload your brand or clinic logo to personalize the skin report. Add a title and subtitle for the overview. Choose how the user's image appears, and select which key metrics such as skin age, skin tone, or skin type are shown. The Customize Report section determines which concerns and parameters are included in the user's detailed report. Here you can add a title for the report section, then choose which skin concerns to include. On the Standard plan, you can analyze acne, wrinkles, pores, and dark circles. You can also enable annotated visuals to highlight detected concerns directly on the user's photo. The Customize Report section determines which concerns and parameters are included in the user's detailed report. Here you can add a title for the report section, then choose which skin concerns to include. On the Standard plan, you can analyze acne, wrinkles, pores, and dark circles. You can also enable annotated visuals to highlight detected concerns directly on the user's photo. The Smart AI Features option unlocks interactive and predictive capabilities that go beyond basic reporting. These tools make the experience more engaging and data-driven. You can enable Smart AI features, like future skin simulation, which projects how skin may change over time. Product recommendations suggest skincare items based on analysis results, and SkinGPT adds an AI assistant that guides users through insights and personalized advice. The Smart AI Features option unlocks interactive and predictive capabilities that go beyond basic reporting. These tools make the experience more engaging and data-driven. You can enable Smart AI features, like future skin simulation, which projects how skin may change over time. Product recommendations suggest skincare items based on analysis results, and SkinGPT adds an AI assistant that guides users through insights and personalized advice. After completing the report setup, click the Create App button to finalize your skin analysis app. Once you finish configuring your skin analysis app, GlamAR provides 2 quick ways to preview the full user experience before going live: a shareable link and an automatically generated QR code. These tools allow you to test the interface, scanning flow, and camera permissions exactly as an end user would. To finish off, click the Complete Setup button to finalize your AI skin analysis application. To finish off, click the Complete Setup button to finalize your AI skin analysis application. Once your skin analysis app is configured, you can preview the full experience using a shareable link or an auto-generated QR code. This lets you test the interface, camera access, and scanning flow just like an end user. The QR code provides the fastest way to test the app on a mobile device. Simply scan it using the camera on any smartphone, and it instantly opens the skin analysis app in the phone's browser. You can also copy the share link to distribute your skin analysis app link. Once you have copied the share link, paste it in any browser. The share link opens the skin analysis experience directly in the browser. Click Start Now to begin the skin analysis scan. It'll open the scanning interface using front camera, and once the scanning is done, it'll generate the scan report as per the configuration. To get started, click the ellipsis menu to view more options for managing this app. After that, click the Edit button to modify the skin analysis app settings. The Subjects tab lists all skin scan reports generated by your skin analysis app. Each completed scan automatically creates a subject entry with a unique subject ID, making it easy to track and review individual results. Click on the subject ID to view the detailed skin analysis report. The report includes detailed metrics, detected skin conditions, annotated images, and other analytical data for that specific scan. Next, click Recommendation to view personalized skin analysis suggestions for the subject. The recommendation module links skin concerns to relevant products. GlamAR uses analysis results to suggest personalized products, and you can bulk import product data to keep recommendations accurate and up to date. To add a bulk product data for recommendation, click on the Import button. From here, select the CSV option to import your product data in. Afterwards, click the Next button to proceed with the bulk data import configuration. Here, click Upload File to select and import your CSV data file. Once you have uploaded the CSV file, click the Continue button to proceed with importing your bulk data file. Following that, click the Refresh button to reload the product recommendation list. Click the Edit icon to modify the product details and settings. Basic details includes core product information used to display items inside skin analysis reports and to manage your catalog efficiently. Several of these fields also influence how GlamAR's AI model evaluates and recommends products, especially when paired with skin concerns. The performance and feedback fields help GlamAR understand how well each product performs within your catalog. These values influence how the AI prioritizes products when multiple options address the same skin concern. Well-maintained feedback fields improve the quality, ordering, and relevance of recommendations seen by the user. The Details section adds descriptive information about each product, such as its purpose and formulation. While these fields don't affect the AI model, they help create richer, more informative recommendation cards in the final report. The usage and targeting fields play a key role in how GlamAR matches products to a user's skin concerns and routine needs. Providing accurate details here helps ensure more precise and trustworthy recommendations. The description and metadata fields add structure and clarity to your product catalog. While they may not directly affect the AI model, they help create a more organized, informative, and context-rich recommendation experience. Once the necessary edits are done, click the Publish button to save and publish the skin analysis product.